Good afternoon, wetshaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole of Cal Shaves. I recently got a brand new razor, an adjustable, the Ming Shi 3000S adjustable. I got a notification from Italian Barber about it, so we'll give it a check out. I haven't used it yet. Don't really know what to expect. So, comes in this nice plastic carry case. This was going on Italian Barber for $15.99, so very inexpensive. Again, I don't know what to expect. I've heard a few comments from different guys on Facebook. Comes with a pack of blades, a 5-pack, which I will not be using their blades. I'll be using my go-to Vashkod. Take out the plastic. And you can see overall length about 4 inches, so you've probably got a blade or a handle length of about a little over 3.5. Barn door alignment isn't too bad for $15, $16. Mechanism isn't too bad. It's got the matte finish on the bottom tray and the adjustment mechanism. Adjustment of 1 through 9. It doesn't have hard stops on there, so in that way it is like the Ming Shi 2000S. Doesn't have hard stops, which in and of itself again is a clone of the Makura Future. So, open that up, switch it to its lowest setting, which is on number 1. Get a Vashkod going, brand new. I say I prefer to stay with a Vashkod because at least I know I like the blades. I know that a Vashkod will give me a good shave, pretty much regardless of what I'm putting it in. Set it in there. The old man needs glasses. Check our blade reveal. Overall, not too bad. And let's just compare it. Let's crank this thing wide open. The adjustment mechanism is quite tight. You see the blade gap there. Actually pretty even on both sides without any tinkering with it, so we'll get this turned down to 1. We'll see what we get. So, what we're going to use tonight is Purely Skinful Smooth Operator. This is her Linda's shave stick version. This is rich espresso coffee beans with a shot of fine-aged bourbon whiskey, heavy cream, and warm vanilla. Love the scent on this. First time I've used it, so it'll be interesting to see what's going to go. And in the skull, we have got our Samog 830 bore. Do is we're actually going to dial this up. Well, we're starting on a 1. Let's start on a 3. weight's not too bad. It's 2.7 ounces. She's a little... Actually, it's not too bad on this. You see where the balance point is, so... It is slightly head heavy, but we'll give it a try. That's on a 3. And that's cutting through it, but still very mild. Open our barn doors. Let's turn it up to a 6. See how this one goes. Now, I don't have a very coarse beard. So for me, that's actually not too bad. Still, for 2/3 of the way through, I've heard a lot of guys, or a number of the guys on Facebook say these things are extremely mild. Again, they're not top quality, but like I said, $16 US. So, let's dial this all the way up and see what we get. So dial it up on 9. Turn it back a little bit. That's not too bad. Got a fair bit of blade feel to that on number 9. Still not super aggressive. It's a little, okay, we got a few weavers. Oh well. Take that and hold it up. Just dial it back a little bit. And dial it back to about 8. Give that a try. I do find a bit slippery to hold on to. The knurling on there is very slippery. Doesn't have a whole lot of grip on it, but let's give this a go. Cross the grain. Setting 8. Seems like that TTO mechanism turns back just a little bit, so it's not super tight. A little bit of a different angle than what I'm used to. I'm used to holding it more like this, whereas this one here, that's about... So, I think part of it is the angle of holding it. So... So, we will go against the grain. Feel like wax reapplied. Bit of a weeper back here. I noticed a few others when I was shaving. So, taking the Ialian block. I haven't used the Ialian block in quite a while, so I figured, what the hell, we're gonna go. That spot back there obviously stings. The Ialian will help with any abrasions and to seal some nicks. Little weepers there. Yeah, it's more my neck that stings than anything else. So we'll let that soak for a sec. Still a bit of stubble there, it's not? No, I wouldn't even consider that DFS. I have to go back and do another cleanup. I could have dialed that up to a 9, but I thought 8 was plenty aggressive enough. There was plenty of blade feel. And again, I didn't want to push my luck first time. So, give that a quick rinse. And we are going to apply the matching aftershave balm. Purely Skinful, smooth operator. Linda is from Ontario, Canada. You definitely gotta check out her products. She has an amazing assortment. Today is Easter Monday, and that scent is awesome. So let's do a quick wrap up on this. I'm not even sure if it's been released widespread yet, but that is the Ming Shi adjustable 3000S, 2.7 ounces overall, 4-inch handle, polished and matte finish, balance. Yeah, she's a little head heavy. Not too bad. Not really plasticky. The adjustment mechanism is quite tight. I don't know if that'll loosen up with use or not. It's not. It doesn't have fixed stops in it. Like I said, I didn't use the blades that came with it. I used a wash guard, brand new wash guard. It's actually not too bad. The blade alignment isn't too bad at all. Comes with a great carrying case. For $16 US. It's not going to be one of my favorite blades, not one of my favorite razors. I'll give it another try. I know a lot of guys don't care for the 2000S. Well, like I said, I get good decent shaves with this. I'm not going to complain. You know, and for the price, you don't expect it to have the quality of your Carve or your PAAS engine. But, like I said, a few little weepers back there. Yeah, don't know what I think. Like I said, on setting 8, I found it. I didn't like it on 9, 8, maybe 7. For me to be a sweet spot. We'll give it another try. So, and our Canadian made. Oh, it's hard to see in the light in here. And a smooth operator. Just amazing stuff. Again, recap on this. Is rich espresso coffee beans with a shot of fine aged bourbon whiskey, heavy cream, and warm vanilla. Shave stick, great if you're traveling. I'm a trucker, so something like this would be perfect for travel. And if you fly a lot or whatever. So, anyway guys, that'll do me for tonight. Is it going to be your favorite razor? No. In my opinion, is it going to be the cheapest razor you probably own? Probably not. But you're getting what you're paying for, in my opinion. So, glad to give it a try. And actually, surprisingly, solid little razor. just wasn't the best shave I've had. We'll get it round 2 another day until we think so. Anyway, guys, that'll do me for today. So we'll see you again in a few days. And you guys have an awesome week. We'll see you real soon.